Bitcoin's next boom will be even bigger than the banks had hoped for. Welcome back, crypto capitalist. In this video, we're going to be discussing the recent surge in Bitcoin's price and exploring the factors driving this increase. We'll also talk about the elephant in the room. The banks are starting to crumble, and what the most recent bank collapse of Credit Suisse means for crypto enthusiasts. The statements and claims here do not necessarily reflect the opinions of Crypto Capitalist, its brand or subsidiaries. Every investment and all trading involves risk, so you should always perform your own research prior to making calculated decisions. Let's jump right in, starting with potential risks and challenges ahead. Despite the recent surge in Bitcoin's price, Bitcoin's recent price surge has been on an upward trend lately, reaching a high of over $63,000 on March 22, 2023. This represents a significant increase from the cryptocurrency's previous price range of around $50,000. But what are the factors driving Bitcoin's price increase? One of the main drivers is the growing acceptance of cryptocurrencies by mainstream institutions and investors. This includes the recent announcement by PayPal that they will begin offering crypto-related services to their customers. Another factor is the increasing demand for Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation and a store of value. With the global economy still recovering from the COVID-19 pandemic, many investors are turning to cryptocurrencies as a way to protect their assets from potential market volatility and currency devaluation. Additionally, Bitcoin's energy consumption and environmental impact remain a concern for some investors and stakeholders. Investors demand greater transparency within the industry. Silicon Valley and Credit Suisse bank collapse. But what does that mean for the cryptocurrency market? Markets are still in disarray with the threat of even more potential bank collapses. The most recent collapse of Credit Suisse and its partners was announced on March 20, 2023. Credit Suisse, one of the world's largest banks, announced that it would be filing for bankruptcy following a series of high-profile scandals and mounting debt. This has sent shockwaves throughout the financial industry, with many experts predicting that it could trigger a global economic crisis. The collapse of a major financial institution like Credit Suisse could lead to a surge in demand for decentralized and independent financial systems, such as cryptocurrencies, as investors seek to protect their assets from the fallout of the Credit Suisse collapse. However, there are also concerns that the bankruptcy of a major bank like Credit Suisse could lead to a broader loss of confidence in the financial system, and a decrease in investment across all asset classes, including cryptocurrencies. Here's what to watch for in the coming days and weeks. As we learn more about the Credit Suisse collapse, there are several key factors to weigh when it comes to the future of the cryptocurrency market. These include changes in investor sentiment, regulatory developments, and the potential for increased volatility and market turbulence. You heard it here first. As always, it's important to stay up to date on the latest news and developments in the financial industry and to do your own research before making any investment decisions. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting crypto updates.